Hi, in this video, we are going to migrate the WordPress website from Siteground to Bluehost using a plugin. We will do it in 4 simple and easy steps. Step 1. Install all-in-one WP Migrator plugin in the existing installation. Step 2. Create a website backup and save it on your computer. Step 3. Make a blank WordPress site at a new host, in this case Bluehost. Step 4. Upload backup and restore the website. That's it. Let's get started.
My website is presently hosted in Siteground WordPress hosting. We will migrate it to Bluehost WordPress hosting using a free plugin. Explore Siteground hosting offers, like free SSL and 65% discounts. Links available in description. Also see, Bluehost free domain and hosting offers, and free SSL, unlimited domains. Links available in description.
Let's get started. Go to the WordPress dashboard and click on Add New Plugin option. Search for the all-in-one. Select this plugin and click on the Install Now option. And click on the Activate button. Now, go to Plugin Options and select the Export option. Click on the Export to the File option. A backup file with the complete website along with a database will be created. Download this backup file to your computer. You can upload this file and restore your website with any hosting service. It takes only 10 minutes. Even you can keep this file as a backup. Now, step 3. Create a blank WordPress installation at the new host, in this case, Bluehost. and click on Add New Plugin option. Search for the all-in-one. Select this plugin and click on the Install Now option. And click on the Activate button. Now, go to Plugin Options and click on the Import option. We are going to import the backup file already downloaded from the Siteground installation. Now select Import from File option. Select the downloaded backup file. It will start restoring the backup. That's it. Now the migration is complete and the website is live from Bluehost. Now, change the DNS settings of the domain to point it to Bluehost. Change the site URL to the original domain.
Also, see my popular video on how to optimize WordPress website and achieve GT metrics 100 and Google page speed 100. Thanks for watching this video. A like would be appreciated. Share this video and subscribe to this channel.